BYD Seal is currently India's most high-performance vehicle as it can accelerate 0 to 100 in under 4 seconds. It is of the price point starting 41 lakhs for the dynamic trim and single motor layout up to 53.15 lakhs for the top spec dual motor AWD layout. Fast forward to 2026, they announced a voluntary for the Seal EV with a possible fall side with a high voltage battery. BYD has emerged as the world's highest selling electric brand. Even in India, they have emerged as a notable luxury manufacturer with 5,402 sold in 2025. The company started its journey with Seal, which is currently India's most affordable performance vehicle. The saloon is under the limelight as BYD voluntary recall regarding to false voltage battery pack. BYD users has revealed these developments and now users to book and service available. BYD India will dispatch service personnel to pick up and diagnose. Authorized technician will perform a BYD check on BYD Seal. If there's any issue, BYD is offering a free replacement. They have revealed how many units of Seal have been affected with this potential issue, nor did the company announce the batch number of production dates for the potentially units. Also, the issues seems to be to Seal Saloon and not Seal line. The Seal is offered in 3 trim levels and dynamic premium performance. It is priced at 41 lakh with 61.44 kilowatt hour battery and RWD motor. Premium gets a large 82.56 kilowatt hour battery pack and RWD motor at 45.7 lakhs. The top performance trim get dual motor AWD layout with 525 PS of power, 0 to 100 sprint in 3.8 seconds.